Hello friends, welcome back. I am Achintya Hazra. Sometimes a small paintings like this should be done and big. And there is a lot of fun in this kind of painting. Now I am starting first wash. Color is Bansiana, raw umber and orange, and little bit lavender. And the figure you see in the painting, I have cut with masking tape so that I will work without worry, which I will remove later. French ultramarine, scarlet lake, and here I am using ivory black because this time I do not have Payne's grey. There is a small painting and there is a lot of activity in it, and light and shadows is its big role. I will just look at the reference photo and try on the same. Okay, I like the figures activity in this painting, in this reference photo, and that is my focal point. I will try to show the figure very well. The yellow color cut you see in the paper is the same masking tape. My masking fluid is over. There is only 3 to 4 colors here because you will see it again and again. One of orange and French ultramarine, scarlet lake, ivory black, lavender. There is some step in this darkness. There is some station. There is some buildings. Does not feel like painting many times. So at that time you see a painting or favorite photograph of your favorite artist. I'm sure, and after that you will be attended to make a painting. I also use this trick on myself. Yes, the time has come to remove the masking tape. I have to pay attention to figure and the car's outline, and I am coloring it. I will spray a little water in the painting. I will try to give a slight smoke effect. And spraying too much can also spoil the painting. So be careful. And thank you friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you all are enjoying it. And take care. Bye bye. If you like, you can try and share it with me. Thank you. Thank you so much.